Hello there. Now that you have started your Schoology conference, let's go ahead and take a look at where you can locate some settings to make this a way easier platform to use with your students. I'm going to click up here in the top right-hand corner under Options, and I'm going to choose Settings. I think settings are really important to know that you can have some alerts set. So if I have all of these turned on, I would be able to get alerts as the students join, as I get chats from them. I think this is really important to have. Also, I notice that the font size is pretty tiny here in conferences. This is another location I can increase the size if I so choose. That might help some of those kids also at the back of the classroom because of social distancing, that you can make sure that they can see from the back if you are sharing both screens with students at home and in person. I'm going to click on Save. And notice everything does proportion itself a little bit different. I can hide the chat as I move forward. The other settings that you have is managing users. So if you click on Manage Users, here's some other things to note. So if students have been using different features to engage, you can clear all of their status icons. You can mute all users here. So if you notice that there is a noise that you can't get rid of for students in person and at home, you can always mute all users except the presenter here if you're still talking. But then this is also a good tool if you give work time for everyone, that they can work either in silence or with their own noise in their home. And then if you need to save usernames, this makes a text file for you with your student attendance, which is really helpful. You can lock the viewers if you need to, so then they can or can't do certain things. So here's some more settings that you can toggle on and on. If you don't need a webcam, which we love it when students show their faces, right? We'd love to see those smiles for moving forward. Microphone, so if it's just more of a webinar-based meeting. And then this is one thing that we are going to recommend is that you lock the private messages and shared notes. Now, some of you might work your way up using digital citizenship scaffolding to have shared notes as a feature, and you might have a scribe for your class. All right, and then we're going to make sure that other students can see each other's names, and I'm going to click on Apply. And then the last thing is down here, you can create breakout rooms, and we'll take a quick look at that in our next video.